So we're going to continue on the stairs. Some people were experiencing the when they mirrored it, the handrails were being flipped to the other side, and I was going to show you how to change if the handrails and the guardrails are on the wrong side, or if you have any issues on what to do. So first, I would just hide um, the floor so you can see a little better. So you can hide in view. Right click on the floor. So you can select the floor. Right click, hide in view category. And you can do the same thing for the walls. Right click, hide in view category. And then you can select the rails and then change them to the correct one. So if I go to level 1, I'm going to hit level 1 and just my 3D view. I'm going to go up to the view tab, tile views, so I can see them both at the same time. You can see here how the wall handrails on the wrong side. So if you select the handrail, you can actually you can select it independently from the stair. So you can select the handrail by itself. Go to your properties palette, hit the top where it says railing handrail, and change that to the guardrail pipe that we did before. And as you can see, it's backwards. It has the handrail on the inside instead of it has it on the outside instead of on the inside where it should be. So you can select that again and then edit type, and then change the handrail, whatever you have, change that to left and hit OK. And it'll put that on the right side or on the correct side. And then you can do the same thing with the rail on the outside. So they have the guardrail, which we don't need on the wall side. So you select that, go to your properties palette, bring hit the top where it says railing guardrails, and then change that to handrail wall. And then edit type, and then where it says the position, change that to left and hit OK. And then you can see that it's far away from the wall. So we can get that a negative offset or whatever offset you have to move it so that the handrail is up against the wall. The other thing too, I'm going to edit type again. I'm going to go to the pipe wall mount, hit the type, and instead of maximum spacing, I'm going to change it to fixed distance. Hit OK, OK, and then we'll get rid of that little support there at the end that isn't needed. So going up, we'll have the handrail all the way up and not the little one that it was putting at the end there. And so if whatever your stair is doing, you should be able to select these independently and change them to the correct one. So here's the other stair is the same way now. We'll change that to guardrail pipe, edit type, change it from left to right or right to left, whatever your condition is, so that it's in the correct orientation on the stair. You can look in your 3D view to make sure. This actually needs to be left. And we'll do the same thing with the guardrail over here. Change that to the wall handrail and give it the -2 offset or whatever offset you need to get it attached to your wall. And then I would check both sides just to make sure that they are good. It looks like they're good now. There's some more work we're going to do on the stairs, but for now, that'll get us close enough so that we have our handrails fixed. So if they come up mirrored, that's a pretty quick, easy fix to do, to just swap the handrails. Um, and so again, I'll just double check and make sure they're both coming in on the right side. I'm going to save and close just to make sure, because I was experiencing some weirdness with the handrails. So looking it up, it's a pretty complex element because it uses a ton of different families with the railings and the balusters and the supports and the handrail and the guardrail. So it's a good idea just to double check. I just closed and reopened it just to make sure that all the changes I made stayed, and it looks like they have. I'm just going to take a quick look in the 3D view as well. I'm going to turn my walls back on, so if I go hit escape, I can go up to the view tab, go to visibility graphics here on the view tab or on the properties palette right here towards the top. And I can turn floors and walls back on and see our handrail. Alright, that is it for just fixing your handrails so that you can change them independently of the stair even after you've mirrored them, so that you don't have to redraw the stair, redo the stair. So that should get them. We're going to add an exterior wall of the roof so that there is roof access as well at the roof for the stairs. Alright, let me know if you have any questions. We can go over this on Tuesday or Thursday's meeting if you need more assistance. Thanks.